This is section 4.2, straight line method. So in this chapter, we're talking about depreciation. And then we're going to talk about the different ways we can calculate depreciation. So today we're going to talk about the straight line method. So the straight line method, you take the cost minus the salvage value and divide by the estimated lifetime of the machine that you're talking about to get your depreciation per year. Please notice that in the straight line method, every year is going to have the same depreciation. In other models, it might be variable, but in this case, it stays the same throughout the life of the machine. So if the cost of the machine is $17,000, its salvage value $2,000, and its estimated useful life 5 years, find the straight line depreciation for the machine. So our depreciation is equal to our cost, which is $17,000, minus our salvage value, which is $2,000, divided by the useful life, which is 5 years. So we get $15,000 divided by 5, which is $3,000. So the depreciation is $3,000 per year. So the date of purchase actually matters when we're doing straight line depreciation. It matters only for the first year. So suppose the machine in the last example was bought on March 26th. We round that to April 1st to determine the first year's depreciation. So when we're taking the month, take the date and round it to the nearest first of the month. So for example, if we had bought it on March 10th, we would round that to March 1st instead of April 1st. So since the depreciation was $3,000 per year, the monthly depreciation is $250 per month, just by taking $3,000 divided by 12. Since the company only had the machine for 9 months during the first year, take that $250 times 9, and it only depreciated $2,250 that year, because it's only the 9 months instead of the 12 months for the full year. For the second through fifth years, because we said it has a life of 5 years, so for the second through fifth years, those are all full years, so the full depreciation is taken unless the machine is sold. So be careful about what date things are bought, because that's going to mess up your depreciation for the first year. And the last thing is a bit of vocabulary. So the book value of like a machine or a building or anything that's depreciating is the cost, the original cost minus the depreciation. So for example, if we had a machine, let's use the example. So we had the cost of $17,000. We said it depreciates $3,000 a year. Let's just say that they bought it on January 1st to make things easy. After 3 years, it's depreciated $9,000. So after 3 years, its book value is $8,000.